Good evening, Dr. Vikram.
Good evening.
Dr. Vikram, these days many people are suffering with liver disorders,
Yeah.
fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, hepatitis A, B, C,
Yeah.
and so many other complications of liver.
Yeah.
And generally they don't find any treatment in allopathy.
Mm-hmm.
So what is Ayurvedic viewpoint on this condition?
Yes, this liver is a major organ in our body. It's one of the biggest gland. In fact, it is the biggest gland in the body.
Mm-hmm.
It performs so many functions. It is handling almost all the functions of the body, digestion of the food, maintenance of the hormones, and so many other things. So
Okay.
if anything affects the liver, that is going to affect the whole body.
Okay.
So liver is like an immigration officer. Whenever someone comes from another country to your country, he has to go through some checks, and then
Yeah.
only he is allowed in the body. Similarly, whenever you eat food or whatever food you take, the toxins have to pass through the liver. The liver checks them, the viruses, liver checks them, holds them, and tries to clear them. But
Okay.
still, some of them they go through because if the toxin load is too much, if
Yeah.
there is too much of bad things you eat,
Yeah.
still they go inside, and then the liver is getting damaged in that process.
Okay.
So liver cells, they fight the toxins, so
Mhm.
the virus or the bacteria or even the food product which is not easy to digest. So
Okay.
liver have to work hard. The hepatocytes,
So,
or the liver
Dr.
cells.
Okay, Dr. Vikram, what are the symptoms one can see when he has some liver disorder?
First of all, there is first stage is fatty liver. The symptoms are mild discomfort, abdominal discomfort in the right hypochondrium, this side of the area when you push it with your
Okay,
hand,
fingers.
and you see, then you feel uncomfortable,
Okay.
and you are difficult in when little more fatty liver occurs, then you start to lose appetite,
Okay.
and you easily breathe out, you breathlessness,
Okay.
easily fatigued, you get tired very quickly,
Okay.
and there is loss of appetite, you don't feel hungry eating like anything.
Okay.
Sometimes people still they keep on eating and keep on drinking and keep on eating and too much of
Okay.
food, plenty of
Yeah,
food.
yeah.
That keeps on putting the burden on the liver,
Mm-hmm.
and then liver goes into a failure state. That is
Okay.
called liver cirrhosis.
Okay.
So liver cirrhosis is caused mainly by the too much overload of toxins,
Mhm.
like alcohol and drugs, and sometimes the viral load of hepatitis B and hepatitis, other form of hepatitis.
Okay.
So liver cirrhosis is when the liver is completely damaged, it's 90-80% damaged.
Okay.
Then because of any reason like drugs, like alcohol, like hepatitis virus, so that is called liver cirrhosis stage. So it
Okay.
is not easy to reverse the liver cirrhosis stage, but still there are some Ayurvedic herbs which can work really well and maintain the liver function and prevent the liver transplant also.
Okay. So which are these herbs which will be beneficial for this condition?
Yeah, there are many Ayurvedic herbs, like I use Bhumi Amla. This is called Phalanthus niruri. I have shown in some of the videos Phalanthus niruri plant.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a small plant, and it's very good in hepatitis B and also in liver cirrhosis and
Okay.
improving the liver functions.
Mhm.
I use this combination called Yakrit Plihantak Churna. It's
Okay.
a combination of 8 to 10 herbs,
Mhm.
all liver performance increasing herbs.
Okay.
They help to regenerate the liver cells.
Okay.
So they contain Kutki, Punarnva, Bhringraj, all the herbs which are very good for overall liver function.
Okay.
So Kalmeg is wonderful for liver. So I regularly use in my patients.
Okay.
So, and I have seen wonderful results in liver cirrhosis, and sometimes there is accumulation of the fluid in the body, that is called ascites.
Okay.
Because of liver failure, there is accumulation of fluid in the abdominal cavity.
Okay.
So ascites can be controlled by using herbs like Punarnva, Gokshura, Varun.
Okay.
So Gativa Nurvala is Latin name of Varun.
Mhm.
And I use all these herbs,
Okay.
and ascites can be controlled. Liver albumin can be increased by using ashwagandha and this gokshura,
Okay.
tribulus. So ashwagandha and gokshura are very good to increase the albumin and proteins, because protein levels comes down. When the
Okay.
platelet level is down, one can use this Carica papaya juice, leaves of papaya fruit. So,
So-
papaya tree,
Okay.
not the fruit.
Okay.
So papaya tree leaves are very good for increasing the platelets. And sometimes in liver failure there is a formation of varicose veins. There are the veins just like piles in the lower part of the anus. Similarly, there is a tortuosity of the veins because of the portal venous hypertension. There is the portal vein swells up
Okay.
because of the pressure, and there is the formation of these veins, swelling of
Okay.
veins in the lower end of the food pipe,
Okay.
esophagus. Sometimes they bleed also in case of liver failure.
Okay.
So we use pitta balance in that case. I recommend the coconut water consumption in that case. I recommend cooling herbs. Sometimes I recommend the rose petals.
Okay.
Sometimes the rose petals should be used crushed.
Okay.
and
Even
then
I think
should
rose
be-
petal jam is very common in
rose
India.
petal is gulkand is
Yeah,
called,
yeah.
if you are not having
So, Dr.
diabetes.
Vikram, there are so many herbs you explained.
Yeah.
So, for how long one have to use these herbs?
Depending upon upon patient to patient, fatty liver patients, if there is only mild discomfort, mild fatty liver, and mild dysfunction, then within 1 or 2 months everything is okay.
Okay.
And if there is liver cirrhosis, one has to take for about 1 year or sometimes 2 years,
Okay.
1.5 years. If there is hepatitis B or any hepatitis infection, one has to take for 1 year or something.
Okay. Okay.
So it depends.
But,
It helps to reduce the viral load of the hepatitis B virus and other viruses.
The better part is still there is treatment, because
Still there
very
is hope, yes.
hopeless condition for patients,
Yeah,
and they don't find any treatment.
yeah.
It's a great thing that Ayurveda offers so much. Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.